Helpful advice to alleviate your acid reflux symptoms. When you are suffering with acid reflux, it may seem like there is no help in sight. Thankfully, there are answers to your problems, and they can be found within this video. Many tips and tricks for placating your suffering are available below, so read on to find out more. If you're experiencing acid reflux lately, try a new diet that consists of low-acid foods. Avoid spicy or acidic foods and eat your food slowly. If you still get acid reflux, it's probably time to check in with your doctor. Although your problem may not be serious, it may require medication that your doctor can recommend or prescribe. Fat around your stomach doesn't just put you at increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease and stroke, it also causes you to be more likely to develop acid reflux or will worsen symptoms if you are already a sufferer. Lose weight by exercising moderately and eating low-fat, low-acid foods. Believe it or not, your clothing can affect how often you get acid reflux. Clothing that fits too tightly around the midsection will put excess pressure on the stomach, making reflux occur more often and with more pain. Opt for clothing with a loose fit. Only wear pants and belts that are tight enough to stay up without pressing too hard on the midsection. There are certain foods that trigger acid reflux. Therefore, it's in your best interest to avoid these if possible. One example is chocolate. While dark chocolate doesn't appear to be as bad as high-fat milk chocolate, they both contain caffeine and cocoa, which are both known to cause acid reflux. Try to avoid eating chocolate if you have issues with acid reflux. The caffeine and alkaloids that are contained in chocolate tend to disagree with people that have this problem. If you must have chocolate, eat it in small quantities and opt for a darker chocolate since it has antioxidants. Eat slowly if you want to reduce the occurrence of acid reflux during your meals. When you eat too fast, your body does not have enough time to process the food, which can lead to inflammation and pain within your stomach. Put down your utensils if you have a hard time doing this successfully. If you often have acid reflux, avoid drinking during your meals. A glass of water will add to the volume of food in your stomach and make digestion harder. You should wait until you are done digesting to drink and avoid drinking just before having a meal or a snack. Try using slippery elm lozenges for your acid reflux. The active ingredient in the lozenge provides a protective coating for your digestive tract. When it is in lozenges, it relieves the coughing that comes with acid reflux and it soothes throat irritation. Slippery elm lozenges can be purchased at many health food stores. With all of this great information at hand, you should be ready to tackle your acid reflux. This means taking control of your life and telling the acid to stay where it belongs. Start today and look forward to a happier, healthier future thanks to putting your condition to rest. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.